We thank you for this.
Abatebekanisa Omworeko bagambira abanyamakuru ngo kigenerwa cyabe cyango no kushagika amakorero hamwe n'ebintu birukorerwa mu Uganda.
As we gather in Mbarara this December, we are bringing together over 100 exhibitors and anticipating more than 50,000 visitors from across the region, including Kampala, Mbarara, Shema, Ibanda, Tungamo and Kiruhura.
I know that there is a very big connection between investment and security. If security is guaranteed, I know definitely business takes shape. And we'd like to assure the Uganda Manufacturing Association partners and sponsors that Mbarara is the most ideal place for you to do business, for you to come and invest, for you to promote investments, because the market is big and wide.
Omworeko gunehija kuba harimo no kuhandikisa indangamuntu n'abanira kandi nabwe n'aba Electoral Commission nibija kuba nibashomesa abantu abikwatire n'akaruru kabona k'2026.
Orga irizoba ndikuna mushomese 2023 kubanza ngeta abantu mwena batakayihandisaga waburiro ndangamuntu yena ndakugigariraho batakatunga bwa ebara y'ubuzarwa ninge bakata birth certificate abarakwenda ebara y'abantu abafire bakata death certificate byona tubina nebindi byubuzo byone mwaka wa mwine.
You may even go further and ask, but there are no elections at this show. What are you doing here? So, ladies and gentlemen, we are here to tell that story. It emanates from those frequently asked questions. You may realize that we have 1 year to the general elections, and in that year we have milestones, very critical milestones, so we shall be providing services.
Bamwe abanyamakorera betabira Omworeko bagamba habintu byamane baretira abanyambarara.
Kakati ngaffe kiboko tulese ebintu bingi. Tuli bakozi ba mabati basinga batumanyi nga abakozi ba mabati nga bogalabe mabeganga na ebintu bingi nyo betulese twatandise okola tanka twatandise okola wheelbarrow
kandi ko kikamudara gwitu twino promotion wagura ebintu by'umutwaro ntukoresho kiri yabusha wagura ibintu by'umutwaro Ernest no hangure berabo haramu t-shirts.
Omworeko gunugwisha kuhendera birabira n'abashatu byo kwezoku kandi ukutamunasira inje 20 zonka.
Yo man
Gashakweri ya soroto gusa.
Vision group. Oriota